In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract via DocuSign. DocuSign is one of the leading platforms for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and it's incredibly useful for getting documents signed quickly and efficiently. So let's walk through the process together. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option at the top right. Click on Login. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. But assuming you do, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. Here you'll see various options available, but for sending a contract, we'll want to select a template. Templates make it easy because they've been pre-formatted to save you time. So navigate to the template section. This is usually found in the main menu, but don't hesitate to explore a bit if you see it right away. Once there, you'll find several predefined options. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on sending a sales contract. Search or scroll through until you find sales contract, and once you've located it, click on it to highlight your choice. With your template selected, look for an option that says Add Selected and click on it. This action will add your chosen contract to the envelope which you will prepare to send. The next step involves specifying who needs to sign the document. In DocuSign, an envelope can have multiple recipients, each with their own functions such as needs to sign, receives a copy, or in-person signer. For now, we'll focus on setting the needs to sign input for the recipient. You'll do this by clicking on the needs to sign label, making sure to enter the appropriate details for the person you require a signature from. This usually includes their name and email address. Remember to double check that all information is accurate to avoid sending it to the wrong person or location. If needed, you can also add additional recipients at this stage, specifying their roles just like you did for your first signee. Take a moment to make any final adjustments before proceeding. Before finalizing and sending, ensure that everything looks good. Review the document layout, check the placement of the signature fields, and verify that all information entered is both correct and up to date. Once satisfied, go ahead and hit the send button. And there you have it, you've successfully prepared and sent a contract via DocuSign. With a little initial setup, this process becomes quick and straightforward once you're familiar. DocuSign's platform is designed to streamline your workflow, removing the hassle from agreements and securing signatures around the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy the ease of electronic signatures with DocuSign.